Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today we continue working with an organza vest. Last time I showed you how to make a fringe, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate the vest with it. First, I need to iron the vest. Natalie has cut the fusible material off the camera. She's cut 4.5 cm wide stripes. I need to attach the first one. I want to apply it to the bottom in such way that the edge is visible. This way. You can see that the bottom edge is clearly seen. Press it from the right side gently first, and then press it harder from the wrong side. Make sure to attach the fusible material accurately. The vest is going to be unusual and very beautiful. I can combine it with different garments from my wardrobe. If you want to have some special garments, be creative. Chanel creates so many unusual garments. I'd like to show you some of them. I'll talk to you about the Chanel style in one of the next videos. Have a close look at the way I'm attaching the fringe. You can sew the stripes to the vest if you want to. I've decided not to waste my time doing it and use fusible material instead. The first stripe is ready. This is how it looks like now. I'll show you what to do with it later. I need to press it from the wrong side harder. The first one is ready. Don't worry if the edge is frayed. It's okay. Due to the decoration, the vest is going to be pretty strong. Next, I need to apply the second stripe. I remind you that the vest itself is made of organza. I'll attach it this way. I'm doing it by side. I need to take the stripe of the fusible material, join the details this way, and apply them to the vest. The distance between the two stripes is about 1.5 centimeters. The organza fabric should be clearly seen. Make sure that the fusible material doesn't move. You can draw the lines if you want to. I show you everything in detail. Be very careful when cutting the extra pieces. I like such creative designs. I'm so happy to be able to share my ideas with you. I'm working with silk organza. If you have synthetic one, be very careful not to burn it with an iron. I'll show you how to apply one more stripe. In the next video, you'll see how to apply narrow stripes. If you like creativity, I'm sure that you'll enjoy the process. It's actually pretty interesting. Decorate the garments however you want. I need to be very careful when applying the stripes. I'm doing it by side. О. I think that the vest is going to be very beautiful. I'm not going to show you how to edge armholes. I think that you already know it. We'll do it off the camera, and we'll continue working with the vest in the next video. I've seen a similar decoration in Sadro's collection, and I realized that I needed such vest. I'm happy that I have an opportunity to show you this lesson of creativity. I want you to learn to use your imagination. I want you to not be afraid of experiments. It doesn't take much time to do what I'm doing now. I'm going to attach 2 more white stripes off the camera. In the next video, we'll show you how to attach narrow stripes, and you'll see the result. I really hope that you are enjoying this lesson. Be creative. Look for new ideas and designs. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. That's all for today. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.